Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will explain how to create Linux instance. Basically, instance is a virtual server which is run on AWS platform and it is act as a virtual environment which is isolated from underlying operating system. So to create a Linux instance, we have to first log into our AWS console and go to services and select EC2 option. Then after by uh, resources you can easily find how many instances are in running state and how many default instances are present and how many key pairs are already generated. To launch an instance, just click on launch instance. Then this kind of screen will appear on your PC. At that time you should click on launch instance. Then after, first you should give the name of Linux instance. Here I am giving li1. After giving a name, I have to give or a set AMI, which is known as Amazon Machine Image, and here I want to create Linux instance, so I have to select Amazon Linux. Then after I have to give a key pair and I have to create a key pair. So first I have to give a name of a key pair which is 987 and select RSA and PAM file for security or encryption purpose. Then click on create key pair and select all these parameter which is shown on your screen. Then after your instance will successfully created. Then select your instance and connect it. Then simply click on connect. Then after your Linux instance will connected and you can perform some commands like pwd, date, time, and it will give you output basis on your command. Then after, to terminate your instance, just select go to select your instance and click on actions and select terminate option, and this kind of dialog box will open and you have to select terminated, and then your instance will terminated. This is how you can create Linux instance. And now thank you for today. So what is instance, and all the instruction of instance is already given in this file and which link is already given below. Now how to create instance, for this we will do a practical.
Guys, as per I explained before, let us start with our practical. So to do our practical, we need to log into our console and go to EC2 if EC2 is not given, right? So just I think that any instance is not in running mode, so just go to launch instance and need to give a name of instance. Okay, so here I'm giving a Linux and go to select um, Linux Ubuntu, no Linux, right? So then go to click on a key pair. Okay, allowing all HTTP traffics for internet and go to launch instance, right? Uh, Now my instance is successfully created. Go to view all instance. Okay, my instance is created. Just select your instance and try to connect it. Is it? It is so easy. Just like Windows instance, right? So to you can directly connect it your Linux instance, right? Okay, after some time, your instance will connected. And this you don't need to give a password. Do not give any kind of password. Your instance, okay. This is how your instance is connected, and we can perform some tasks or commands like pwd, date, so many, right? Okay. Now we are going to terminate our instance. So just minimize it and go to terminate instance state and go to terminal instance. And after some time, your instance will terminate it. Thank you for your support, guys. This is how you can create your instance and launch it. And thank you again.